go first, you know. But when they see the people right away, they come out. That's the problem when you drive. So guys, malapit na kami doon sa Tamaraw Falls. So this is the road here going to the Tamaraw Falls. The Tamaraw Falls is right there. I don't know if you can see that from here. The water. So you're gonna see it soon. Alright? It's coming up.
In the jungle.
In the jungle. I like the jungle, guys. This is I'm really happy. No, they don't touch this jungle. It's really refreshing. Right here, feel like you have aircon here. You know, all the canopy. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. See? See, welcome to the sign right there. This is the Tamaraw Falls, guys. Welcome to Puerto Galera. Yan. Yun yung Tamaraw Falls nila, guys. Ang ganda, ano. Just tell me, yan. Enjoy nyo, guys. Still, there is a guy out there planning to. Yeah, there is a store right there, all the souvenir. I think that's one is a toilet. There's a toilet there too, so you can buy souvenir right there. Oh, that's the toilet, restroom right there. They don't call CR. Restroom out. Oh, oh. So I'm not gonna talk, guys. I'm just gonna point around. I'm gonna take my helmet. Yeah, let's go down. I don't know if we have to pay. Mamaya na, tita. Mamaya na. Salamat to. That's a souvenir right there. So we're going down. So I think we have to pay here, huh?
Yeah, let's go down. Let's go over here.
Yeah. Hello po. Magkano ang entrance?
50 pesos, ma'am.
Honey, can I have 100 please?
50 for two, right?
No, it's for one only.
One only.
100 for both of you.
So you have to pay the entrance pay.
I'm just joking with you.
To go down.
Oh, you know that?
So you can swim there, guys, right there. It's very pretty. I will bring you guys there soon, okay?
I don't have my glasses on, so
Yeah.
what do we gotta do? Just a name?
Just
Your name?
Then your nationality, and then your signature.
So you have to write your name first before we let you in. You have to pay like 50 pesos, like $1, $1 each. And then two of us is $2.
Alright, okay. So we're gonna be coming up and down, it's okay, right?
Yeah, it's okay.
Alright.
I will open until 5 p.m.
Okay.
Are they cooking downstairs yet?
Mayroon na.
Here, upstairs the restaurant, you order, then they will bring the food.
Where?
Wait, I'll call the... Ay, pabarya?
Saglit lang, tita. Titingnan ko muna. No? I'm going that way, babe.
Claro!
Bibili muna ako ng ano, guys. Hey dear, can I have that's the menu, guys.
Dito ma'am muna to.
So they're gonna cook here and then they bring you down. They bring down, okay? So yeah, I'll take a look. So I don't want to drink. Pass that away because we're fasting. So I'm gonna have. You're going. I don't know. There's a lot of choice, honey. Wait lang, guys, ha.
Dito po ang sandila.
Pork and for sinigang, no, I'm not gonna have a sinigang. Tilapia, paksi, binataan. tinola. How about barbecue? Wala kayong barbecue?
Pork. Barbecue po.
Pork barbecue.
Opo, may pork po
No.
kami rin. May chicken din po. Chicken.
Adobo. That adobo din naman na
Ito po,
barbecue.
meron po more.
Okay. Rice and mineral water and with rice na yan ano?
Opo.
Okay.
250. So
Okay,
ilang
so we're gonna get two. One for each or no?
well, I don't know how gaano kalaki yun.
Yung tempo po.
Yan po. Oh, but you're gonna remember sometime we eat out a lot of food, you know,
May chicken din po. Barbecue.
there is chicken barbecue.
Okay, where's the chicken?
Well, right, no, that's not. This is a pork.
Okay,
This is the
you said you
chicken.
have chicken barbecue?
I think
Okay.
they're all the same
Okay,
price.
so one chicken and one pork, okay, with the rice and one water,
Yeah.
okay?
No water because I have a water.
But it comes with it.
We come with it.
It comes
Okay.
with it. It's gonna be
Alright,
cold.
sir.
Oh, we don't want
hindi
none of
na kami
that. Great.
Yeah, because I'm hungry. Yeah. Pababa kami, guys. Later, dear, because there's a lot of people there. Yeah, I don't wanna. Yeah, the step going down, guys.